If you've been watching the same TV channels I have, there's a good chance you've seen commercials for Ego lawn care tools and lifestyle products. But is Ego a good brand to jump into? And are Ego lawn care tools any good? I'm going to take you beyond the marketing messages and share my experience using these products as well as what I've learned from touring Ego's headquarters and manufacturing facility. The Ego brand is owned by Chevron, not to be confused with Chevron. Other brands you may know in the group include Skill, Skillsaw, and Flex. They also make Cobalt's 24-volt power tools for Lowe's and Masterforce's 20-volt tools for Menards. In general, the group makes high-quality tools that strike a solid value when you weigh their performance, features, and price. As we expect, there are differences between what they make for DIYers and pros, but they'll go toe-to-toe against competitors in the same class and often win. Clint and I had the opportunity to visit Chevron's facility in Nanjing, China, where Ego lawn care tools are made. We even got to work the line and build our own blowers. That was back in 2016. Whatever you think a Chinese factory looks like based on what you've heard is likely the exact opposite of what we experienced. The factory was extremely clean and modern with the capability of producing some of the highest quality components in the world. Chevron even makes components for well-known German manufacturers and fully manufacturing tools for other brands you undoubtedly know. Beyond the technology, they also had several environmentally friendly initiatives integrated into their processes and buildings. More to the point, Ego has the technology to test every single product and ensure it meets performance tolerances before it goes to packaging and out for distribution. Many manufacturers take representative samples, but Ego doesn't take any chances of a one-off product making it through and disappointing a customer. From a user's perspective, Ego has one of the most well-developed battery-powered lawn care equipment lines available. We'll dive into more details in a moment, but when it comes to keeping your lawn in great shape, they cover everything from top-of-the-line innovation to budget-friendly options. It's a line that covers everything you need, plus lifestyle products. You can expect push mowers, self-propelled mowers, a lawn tractor, zero-turn mowers, string trimmers, a multi-head attachment system, leaf blowers, backpack leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, chainsaws, a pole saw, edgers, a pressure washer, and even earth and ice augers. And what about those lifestyle products? Ego also has a portable power station and power supplies, lighting, a misting fan, and a mini bike. So is Ego a good brand? In my opinion, there's no question. Let's take a few minutes to look specifically at the lawn care line and what we've experienced. First of all, Ego's been pushing the benchmark of innovation ever since we got our hands on their first generation products back in 2013. The platform is built on Ego's 56-volt battery. Its unique shape promotes heat dissipation, and a phase change material inside contributes to that as well. In an era where other battery-powered lawn care tools would often shut down on us for thermal protection, Ego's battery heat management pushed through to the end. Even their charging system is top-notch. We've had to wait multiple hours for some batteries to cool down enough just to start charging, while Ego batteries start charging right away. From its beginnings, Ego products had higher performance, lower vibration, better runtime, and more well-refined design than its competitors. Based on what I've seen, Ego's product development has forced the entire industry to step up its game, resulting in a better experience for homeowners faster than we would have arrived at otherwise. And fast forward to today, and Ego is constantly pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from battery-powered lawn equipment. The brand is constantly on the edge of innovation, often with other companies following suit. The E-Steer zero-turn mower controls, select cut stack blade lawnmowers, and PowerLoad automatic trimmer line loading are some of the most ambitious and successful innovations we've seen come out of the battery-powered OPE market, and that's just to name a few. Pushing innovation further is great, but Ego doesn't stop there. Under the hood, there's legitimate quality. Ego is so confident in the construction that most of their products have a 5-year warranty. So, are Ego lawn care tools any good? Let us know what you think in the comments below. As for me, I believe Ego offers outstanding individual products that frequently beat its competition in performance, features, value, or all three when comparing products at the same price point. Now, if you have any questions about Ego or their lawn care equipment, leave those in the comments below as well, and we'll do our best to get back to you. As always, thanks for watching Pro Tool Reviews.